Hello, Wayland Middle School. Mr. Farley here to give you a little video and a couple of examples on multiplying exponents. These are a little more complicated than the ones that we've been working on, but hopefully this will go well. So here we go. Let's get it started. So example number one. Let's do this. We have some coefficients. Remember, coefficients are numbers that appear before the variables. Okay, so one thing that Mr. Robinette and I like to stress is just take care of the coefficients here. Everything's being multiplied here, even though we have parentheses separating, everything is going to be multiplied together. So order doesn't matter when we multiply. So I can just go 2 times 4, which is going to give me an 8. All right, 2 times 4 is 8. Now I'm going to use my rules of exponents for multiplying that we've been working on. Remember, if the bases are the same, and they are, I'm eyeballing the variable a. If the bases are the same, you keep the base, which is a, and you add your exponents. 3 plus 5 is 8. And now for the next one, I'm going to do the same thing for b. Again, multiply b squared by b to the 11th. Those bases are the same, so you keep the base and you add your exponents. So this example here simplifies to this right here. Much easier. It looks much cleaner. It's neater, more compact. And that's just what you did. You multiplied these two numbers, and you use the rules of exponents to do so. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, let me just clear this screen for 1 second. There we go. And let's go example number 2. So this one here, a little more detailed, but still the same exact process. Again, take the coefficients, 5 and 3. All right, 5 and 3, with it being multiplied. 5 times 3 is 15. That's taken care of. Now apply your rules of exponents. Again, I'm multiplying a base of a with another base of a. A to the 12th times a to the 3rd is keep the base, add your exponents. 12 plus 3, 15. Let's take care of the b's. Multiply b to the 11th by b to the 10th. Keep the base, which is b, add your exponents, 21st power. Let's take care of the c's. C to the 3rd times c squared. You keep the base, you add your exponents. 3 plus 2 is 5. This has been multiplied together. You did it. You multiplied it. Don't lose track of the coefficients. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more example right here. Actually, I have 2 more examples. This one here is a power to power rule. This is the second rule of exponents that we've been talking about. And when you do these, this one here, remember, power to power, we multiply the exponents, all right, when we do this. And then I'll show you what to do with the coefficient afterwards. So a lot of times, Mr. Robinette and I like to say, just take care of the exponents first. A to the 2nd raised to the 3rd, you multiply those because that's the power to power rule. You get a to the 6th. B to the 4th raised to the 3rd. Again, power to power rule. Multiply those exponents. 4 times 3 is 12. Now the 4, we have to be careful. And what I like to do is I actually say it. I read the coefficient. The coefficient is 4, and it's being raised to the 3rd power. 4 to the 3rd power means 4 times 4 times 4. And I think we can figure that out. 4 times 4 is 16, times another 4 is 64. The coefficient for this one would be 64. There you have it, 64, a to the 6th, b to the 12th. And let's just figure out the last one. I have one more to share, a little bit longer, but in terms of difficulty, just about the same. Again, it's power to power. And when we do these, please remember, power to power, you multiply those exponents. Again, Mr. Robinette and I like to say, take care of those variables first. A to the 10th, b to the 14th, and c to the 8th. Got those by multiplying. Next, say the coefficient. Say it, 3 raised to the 2nd power means 3 times 3, and I think everyone knows coefficient is 9. So expanding this out using the rules of exponents, it turns into 9, a to the 10th, b to the 14th, c to the 8th. So kids, we are going to be working on these during class over the next couple days, and you will do some practice problems with these. Please refer back to this video if you have questions. Also, always feel free to reach out to Mr. Robinette, myself. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.